In this video, we'll focus on fungal infections. Now, a fungal infection is called mycosis. It is a skin disease that is caused by fungus. Now, in many cases, fungal diseases do affect the skin, but they can affect other places of the body, and it can actually be quite harmful to people. Not just in New Zealand, but overseas, there are cases where a yeast infection can actually turn into a fungal infection inside of people's arteries and their veins. It can actually clog up those veins and arteries, which is pretty horrific. So there are millions of species of fungi that live in the dirt, on plants and household surfaces, on your skin, etc., etc. So we can see here, here's the skin. Okay, the skin is a great line of defense. We've got the surface here, okay, which is the superficial part. Okay, we've got the subcutaneous layer below here. So a fungal infection may affect the subcutaneous layer. Okay, these are deep layers of the skin. Systemic, they are most severe mycoses. Okay, these are when we have pathogenic spores that are inhaled, can get into the lungs, can get into the bloodstream, and then affect other organisms. Okay, so quite detrimental. Okay, so in some cases, fungal toxins are produced just like bacteria, when we call these mycotoxins. Okay, the disease itself that is caused is by these mycotoxins. Okay, the disease is called the mycotoxosis. Okay. Athlete's foot is a common example of a fungal infection. Okay. Candidiasis is another example. Okay, so in the next video, we'll focus on antibiotics and antibiotic resistance.